Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
So, how are you going to simplify a radical expression with an even exponent? So you see how the exponent is even number, right? It's a 10 and it's a 16. How will you simplify a radical expression with an even exponent? Well, all you do is, all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy what I have in the radical here. So I copy this u right here, and I'm going to have a power. And this is how I'm going to do the power. Well, I have an even exponent, and then I have a square root. So I know for sure that I'm going to take that even exponent. I can only do this when I have an even exponent. So I take this even exponent, which is the 10, and then I'm going to divide. Because this is a square root, there's a letter 2 here. So I divide by 2. So then let me just make sure I really got this. Okay, so I take what I have in here, right? This is an even exponent. So I put that down, divide it. Every square root has a letter 2 right here. So this u, 10 divided by 2. And now my final answer is u, because 10 divided by 2 is 5. So my answer is u5. That's how I'm going to simplify it. What about this one right here? Again, I have a little u right here. I can't see, but I have a little u. And I'm dealing with an even exponent. So, all I do is I copy what I have right here, which is the y. And then I'm doing 16 divided by 2. That will be my power. So my final answer is y. And then 16 divided by 2 is 8. So y8 is my answer. Now it's your turn. I want you to keep practicing questions like these, right?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.